Welcome to AZ English Fluency, where we guide you on your complete journey from A to Z. Hello, my name is Emily, and I am so happy you are here to start your English journey with me today. It is a wonderful decision, and I am here to help you every step of the way. I know that starting a new language can feel big and sometimes difficult, but I promise you that with simple, small steps, you will make amazing progress. In this special practice session, we are going to learn and say your first 100 sentences in English. These are not random sentences. They are the most important, most common, and most useful sentences for daily life. They are the keys to starting conversations, asking for help, and understanding the world around you in English. By the end of this episode, you will have a strong foundation. You will have a core set of sentences that will help you start speaking with confidence. Here is how our practice will work. It is a very simple and powerful method. I will say a sentence very slowly and very clearly. Then there will be a pause. That is your time. It is your chance to repeat the sentence out loud. Please do not be shy. Find a quiet place and speak the words. Then, after the pause, I will say the exact same sentence one more time so you can hear it again and check your pronunciation. And after that, there will be another pause for you to repeat it again. The rule is simple. Listen and echo, like a sound echoing in a room. Don't worry about being perfect. That is not our goal today. Our goal is to practice, to speak, and to build the connection between your ears, your brain, and your mouth. Are you ready? Take a deep breath. Let's begin. Okay, let's begin with our first group of sentences. These are the most basic and friendly words in English. Part 1. Basic greetings and farewells. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. How are you? How are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. And you? And you? Goodbye. Goodbye. Good night. Good night. See you later. See you later. See you soon. See you soon. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Wonderful. You have just learned how to greet people and say goodbye. Now, let's learn how to introduce yourself. This is part 2, introducing yourself. My name is Emily. You can use your name here. My name is Emily. I am from Canada. You can use your country here. I am from Canada. I am a student. I am a student. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I am an engineer. I am an engineer. I am happy to be here. I am happy to be here. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. It is a pleasure to meet you. It is a pleasure to meet you. Excellent work. You are doing so well. Now, it is important to know how to ask questions. So, for part 3, we will practice essential questions. What is your name? What is your name? Where are you from? Where are you from? Can you help me? Can you help me? What time is it? What time is it? Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? How much is this? How much is this? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? What is this? What is this? What is that? What is that? Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken? You are building your foundation, sentence by sentence. This is fantastic. Let's move to part 4, simple statements and feelings. This is how you share information about yourself. I am happy. I am happy. I am sad. I am sad. I am tired. I am tired. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. I am cold. I am cold. I am hot. I am hot. I like pizza. I like pizza. I don't like coffee. I don't like coffee. I understand. I understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. I speak a little English. I speak a little English. This is my book. This is my book. That is your pen. That is your pen. I live in a city. I live in a city. I have a question. I have a question. The sky is blue. The sky is blue. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No problem. No problem. Please. Please. I need water, please. I need water, please. I need help, please. I need help, please. Can I have the menu, please? Can I have the menu, please? Of course. Of course. Bless you. Bless you. And that is 100 sentences. You did it! You have just completed a huge step in your English learning journey. You listened and you spoke. That is the most important thing. You should feel very, very proud of yourself today. Take a moment to appreciate your hard work. These sentences are now your foundation. They are your first tools. You can use them to start simple conversations, to understand signs, to ask for help, and to connect with people. This is the beginning of everything. Thank you for your hard work and for your focus today. I know that this kind of practice takes energy, and you did a fantastic job. Practice is so important. To help you remember, I have a small task for you. In the comments below, please write just one sentence from today's lesson that you want to remember. It can be any sentence. Writing it down will help you learn it forever. If you found this practice helpful,
Please subscribe to AZ English Fluency for more lessons that will guide you from A to Z. We will continue to build your skills, one simple step at a time. Thank you for practicing with me. Keep speaking, and I will see you in the next lesson.